Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to see one of your board program from Microprocessor 8085. Okay, so let's see that program. So we are having one of your board program, that is to transfer a block of data from particular memory location to another memory location. But here your important aim is to exchange data by using this instruction. This transfer of data we already did with another method, but here we have to use this instruction. So be careful while doing this program in board exam if it comes. So in this program code we have taken C as your counter and the value is 0A. Why 0A? Because we are having value from 1050 to 1059, that is total 10 values. We are starting our pointer, one of our pointer, that is HL, which is pointing at 1050, and next pointer DE, which is pointing at 1070. So let's think that why we are using H, L and DE. So because of this instruction, because according to the method we can exchange the content of HL and DE by using this. So this is the reason we are using here HL and DE. So we cannot use BC. So गलती से भी आप यहाँ BC pair मत use करना. So as soon as we are using this, your program gets very simple and content of HL and DE get exchanged. That is 0 0 is exchanged with 2 0. After this we'll increment HL, that is it will go to 1051, and increment DE, which will go to 1071. So after our first procedure we have to decrement C. What is the reason? That we were having total 10 numbers, out of which one number is exchanged. So we left with total 9 by using this DCRC. We are using here jump instruction, that is J and Z. Okay, so जब तक Z flag is not set तब तक आपका लूप ये ट्रांसफर होगा, कंटिन्यू रन होगा, और जैसे ही आपका C का वैल्यू यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा ये प्रोग्राम आपका स्टॉप हो जाएगा. तो C आपका 0 कब होगा? दैट इज आफ्टर टोटल 10 रोटेशंस. ओके, so this was your input table, and after your execution this table you will get. Okay, and this code you have to write in your exam if it comes, that is without your memory locations. Okay, and without fail, after this mnemonic, to put comment you have to put what? Here semicolon before this comment. Okay, so it contains half marks, so without fail you have to enter semicolon before the comment. Okay, so do well in exam. We'll meet with some another new programs for your board exam. Thank you class.